What's up, beautiful babes? Hey, guess what? It's Vlogmas Day 2, and I'm here with it, all for it. What about you? I hope you are. And if you are, y'all smash that subscribe button and let's get with the vlog today. I hope you're having a blessed one. So far, so good. And yes, I'm still rocking the red lips. That's how we're gonna do it. Yep, red and red and red. Mwah. Let's get to the vlog.
Everyone knows that Christmas should be white. Bing Crosby got that right. Oh, but I'm in Copacabana, tanning up for Santa. But I'm getting on a plane, a boat, or a train. I'm setting a new course, bearing straight due north. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you hanging by yourself.
Y'all, today's vlog is brought to you by Dollar Tree. I'm just kidding. But actually, we're going to see, or I'm going to, well, actually, I'm going to let y'all see all the goodies I picked up at Dollar Tree. Not this poinsettia, I've had this for some years, but let's get to the fun little goodies I picked up. Everything, of course, I picked up. Each piece was $1, so let's check it out.
As can be, it's been that way forever. Guess we're shaped.
Now let's just go over here by the fireplace. Y'all check out this cute little Christmas tree. This was so cute. I thought it is a miniature size. Let me just put my hand next to it. It's so little, it's so cute. Oh my goodness, it's so adorable. I got a couple of those. That's one of them I put right here. And I have Mr. Penguin. I bought this one for Maddie. I said, hey, this is yours. He looks like you. And she was like, "Mom." But I thought that was so cute. Absolutely. I guess I could do him some trimming or some fixing, but he is so cute standing there right there on the mantle. The other thing I really needed a lot of was these red little poinsettia flowers, these little miniature ones. I put that in all of the greenery around in the living room and also in the family room. So I have it on this flower or this plant here. And then over here in the corner as well. Make it look real festive. Okay, so I put the mistletoe in this one. Hey, whatever you want to do, I think it's perfectly fine. I think it looks real cute in there. What do you say? Yeah, that's lovely. Now we have two pieces up here. Actually, this little poinsettia plant and also this little mailbox. The front of it was already open, and I just put the little poinsettia inside of it, which I thought that was so adorable. Absolutely. They're both standing here by Mr. Bear, and maybe it's Miss Bear. I'm not sure. Maybe it's Miss Bear since she has a bow in her hair and a I like dress on. Okay, we'll make that. That's a girl. So over here by the Guinea Boys, now I didn't pick this up, but I do have some decorations that I'm going to put on their cage eventually, but I did put a little piece of that poinsettia inside the plant over here on this table. And now over here on this table, I did get a Nutcracker Man, and the little house is so adorable. Yeah, at the Dollar Tree. I think that's so cute. Now the next thing I'm going to work on is my table setting, y'all. This is the very first year I've done this since we've been in this house, and these plates and bowls were my mom's, and I have kept them through the years. Very special to me. It's a set of 4 each, And then Mikey last year found these glasses, which I have not even taken the label off of them, but I just set those there because that's very special to me. And just put a bottle of wine in the center. I'm going to actually make a centerpiece, so I do plan on trying to get out to the Dollar Tree sometime today, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. Y'all know how I do it. Whenever. But I am loving that I'm going to have my table finally set up. So I'm going to find, hopefully at the Dollar Tree, some chargers to go under the plates, some more flower poinsettias, etc., to make me a centerpiece. And that would be so special. And perhaps some napkins or something, cloth napkins, and make it really cute. So I'm looking forward to doing that. But none of that stuff is from the Dollar Tree, of course. That's just some stuff that I already had from my mom, rest in peace. And she was real big into Christmas, y'all. She would have the house looking like an enchanted forest. I mean, it was just so super cute. And not to show too much junk, I do have these little cups. These cups actually already came from the Dollar Tree, maybe within the, I don't know how many years ago, but I've already had these three, and I did pick up that one and that little Santa Claus, which I thought was really cute. And this is just on a little bar area here that's needing to be restocked real soon. Okay, so now we're back in the beauty room, and an area that I'm so proud of. You know, I had my holiday starting with Thanksgiving, and I put up Thanksgiving decor up here in the little corner of the, well, in the center of this bookcase. But now I have Christmas, so I did pick up a poinsettia for here. And this little cup say, "Don't get your tinsel in a tangle," which I thought was so cute. And then here's the other Christmas tree right there. Oh yeah, that's so adorable, adorable. And here's a little bell, and it is so cute. And then I have another nutcracker and also another little church or house. The other one was a house, this one is a church. So that is adorable, and I'm looking forward to possibly, like I said, getting out to get some more stuff sometime today, maybe tomorrow. I'm loving it. Well, y'all, that is the decorations that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I was so excited to get them, and you know, I knew Dollar Tree had lots and lots of stuff. I mean, they do. So I'm going to go back in. You know, I'm just trying to get it a little bit at a time and see what I need and don't need. So I was excited to get that. So check out your Dollar Tree if you got one in your town. They have a lot of great stuff in there. Absolutely they do. And y'all, again, today is day 2 of Vlogmas. I just wanted to pop in and share this time with y'all to give you a little bit right here. But I do have a treatment that I'm working on for the beauty channel. I actually have a video that's ready. I'm just going to, in this same attire, I just need to record my intro and the outro on it, and you'll have that one up today for you. So be checking at Beauty by Sweet Angel. And y'all, that's it. I hope y'all are having a blessed day so far. So good. But if I have anything more to share with y'all, you know I'm coming back, right? Don't play. And today I have allergies are acting up. Something's got me crying and crunk up today. So I did my face, I did my eyeshadow and all of that, but it looks like I may have to start all over again, because right now I am literally crying off every single piece of eyeshadow that I have. My eyes are like itching right now for some reason, and I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. But anyway, I will see y'all on the next video. Happy Vlogmas Day 2 to y'all. And I'm so glad you're here with me. Beautiful babes, like, comment, subscribe, and share your girl with your world. Happy holidays. Bye.